Hi and welcome. I want to show you how to easily add comments to a document to make it easier for collaboration. So the comments feature in Microsoft Word is really handy and easy to use, like anything is when you know how. So here I have a document. Let's say I'm collaborating with a colleague. All I need to do is come up here to the right-hand side to the comments button. If I click on that, it activates a comments pane on the right-hand side. All I need to do is click on New, making sure that I'm wherever I want to make the comment about, and I can pop in some information here. From here, I can click the little arrow button and it posts the comment. So when I send this to somebody, they will see this marker and they'll be able to come in and review the comments. So let's just say I wanted to edit the comment. There's a little pencil here. And let's just say I want to put here, consider. When I'm finished, I simply click the tick and it pops it back in. If I no longer want the comment, I can click the drop arrow here and I can choose to delete the thread. Now, if I was to save the file, which I'll do now, and then close it and reopen it. This is what the other person sees when you email it to them. So they see the comments on the right-hand side. They can make the edits easily and they can then come in and if they've resolved the thread, they can click resolve. The marker remains there and the documentation has been edited. If you want to remove the comments completely, maybe once you've edited and made all the changes to your document, you can click the comments button and from here, simply click the delete thread option. That'll remove the comments and bring it back to normal. So that's how easy and simple it is to use comments in Microsoft Word. If you like this tip, why not subscribe to this channel or sign up to my free productivity e-newsletters. The details are on screen now.